This video is sponsored by Fully. Apple has just officially announced its long-awaited Apple Card savings account feature, which is available starting today with an initial APY of 4.15%. This savings account will have no fees, no minimum deposits, and no minimum balance requirements. Of course, before we talk about this new feature a little bit more, I just wanted to take a quick minute to urge you all to subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. We have tons of Apple news dropping daily, especially with WWDC just right around the corner. I'll have some more hardware reviews, tips and tricks, and just anything related to Apple. We'll have you covered, so please subscribe so you don't miss those videos. All right, so back to the savings account. Just a quick heads up, you do need to have an Apple Card in order to open this high yield savings account. And by the way, I don't know much about finance, but according to Apple, 4.15 APY is actually more than 10 times the national average. And so that sounds like something worth checking out. And if you do want to do that, once you have your Apple Card all signed up, all you do is go into the Wallet app, tap on your Apple Card, and then you'll tap on the ellipsis in the upper right corner. Go ahead and select Daily Cash, and then you'll be able to set up your savings account. Once the account is set up, all the daily cash that you received from this point on from your Apple Card will be auto-deposited into your savings account, and you'll start earning interest. If you also prefer, you can choose to have daily cash added to your Apple Cash balance, like the way it is right now, instead, and you can just kind of switch those at any time. But I kind of highly recommend just keeping whatever daily cash you earn from your payments, just going directly into this savings account since you'll earn interest over time. You can also deposit more money into your savings account, just like any other savings account, via a linked bank account or from your current Apple Cash balance. There's a maximum limit of $250,000, and that's all insured by the FDIC. All of the balances that you will have will be insured, so there's nothing to worry about there. If you decide that you want to access your funds at any time from your savings account, you can do that by going and transferring money to your Apple Cash balance or to a linked external bank account with no fees for those withdrawals. And that's it. It's pretty simple to get set up and running, and then you'll just be able to easily add or withdraw money at any time. You'll see all of your latest transactions, and of course, you'll get a nice graph of your weekly, monthly, 6-month, and year-to-date interest gains all inside of the Wallet app. It looks just like your Apple Card UI, so it's actually just all tied in again. And so I would love to hear from you in the comments down below. Do you think you'll be opening up a savings account with Apple? I think that's something I never thought I would say, but Apple's moving more into the banking world, and so would love to hear from you in the comments down below. Now, before we end today's video, I do want to give you more information about today's sponsor, Fully. Fully is running an amazing 50% off sale right now, so be sure to click the link in the description if you're interested in any of the stuff that I'm about to talk about, because Fully is a fantastic company that makes and sells furniture that is not only beautiful, but well built and designed to create a healthy, supportive workplace where everyone can feel and do their best. Fully offers a stunning array of sit-stand desks like my personal favorite and the classic Jarvis desk. It looks incredible with a bamboo top, which is kind of what I've gone with in this new studio, and I can't wait to show you all of that soon. Of course, it's height adjustable and programmable, but of course there are also other unique sit-stand desks like the 4-legged Nolan desk. I've never seen a sit-stand desk quite like this before. Fully doesn't stop there. You can get incredibly comfortable desk chairs, even from brands like Herman Miller. There are couches, and my personal favorite, the Colby bamboo shelving unit that you've seen in a lot of my older videos in the past. Of course, it's not here right now. It's in this new studio, and again, I'll show you that the way I have it set up now. But for right now, you should definitely check out Fully's stuff because it's amazing. I have it all filled throughout this entire studio. And again, the site is running a 50% off sale, so be sure to check out the link in the description down below. This has been Dan with Mac Rumors. Thanks so much for watching, and I hope to see you around in the next video.